How to recover deleted photos from the Google Files Safe folder. Accidentally deleted photos from your Google Files Safe folder? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you recover them. Step 1. Access Google Files. 1. Open the Google Files app. 2. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner and select Settings. 3. Make sure Show Hidden Files is enabled. If it's turned off, switch it on. Step 2. Check the Safe folder for. Go back and tap on the Safe folder. 5. Enter your PIN or pattern to unlock it. If your photos are still saved, you'll find them here. Step 3. Explore internal storage. If the photos aren't in the Safe folder, tap on All Storage, Internal Storage. Navigate to the Files by Google folder. Browse the subfolders to look for your deleted files and recover them if found. Step 4. Check cloud backups. Still can't find them? Open Google Drive or any cloud storage service you use. Look through your backup folders to see if the deleted photos were synced. Final note, if the files aren't in your cloud backups or internal storage, they may be permanently deleted and recovery might not be possible. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below.